What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's the mini magic box that I have shown you before in the previous video. So this thing has just this Bluetooth FM module and the power supply, 5-volt power supply. That's it. So I told you that you can connect this to any amplifier and can use a Bluetooth with the amplifier, like high-powered straight amplifier, controller amplifier, all kind of plain amplifier. So mostly in PA amplifier they use this thing. Just connect this thing to the amplifier that has a mic and all the features, and that becomes the Bluetooth amplifier. So today I'm gonna use this mini Class D module to this magic box, and that this thing will become just a mini amplifier like that. So this thing has a 3 plus 3 watt, total 6 watt, and the connections are simple. That's the power supply that will go right there, the 5 volts, which is also connected to this FM kit, so it's gonna go there. And from right there, this output stereo channel, this thing will come to here, the studio input, and these are the output speakers. I can connect this thing to this RCA socket and then can connect the speaker through the RCA socket. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to use this battery holes for the 2 speakers. I'm going to just slip the wires out from there. So let's connect this thing and then check the sound. So it's connected now. That's the power supply, and that's the audio input from this FM kit. And now I'm gonna slide this speaker wires through these holes. Alright, so I have connected these 2 mini tower speakers to this thing. Now let's turn this on.
Bluetooth mode paired.
close. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, but you know that, but you know that, but you know it. We're just getting started, baby. I'm not going anywhere, cause I feel best right next to you.
Cause guessing is useless.
So that's it, guys. You can make a mini amplifier using this Bluetooth module and that mini amp module. So for your desktop and all the stuff, and this thing can drive this mini tower speakers with 2 woofers on each speaker. So this is quite a bit powerful, and the sound quality was also very nice. You heard that. So that's it. That's all for today. In the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Hearts and neon lights fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now, to where we started. Get me out of now, to where we started. La 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 la. Oh, get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.